delicious, juicy, tender pork hock recipe. If you want to see how I achieved this one, just keep on watching. And to my returning supporters, welcome. For those of you coming for the first time, welcome. Please make it official by tapping the subscribe button. So here we have some pork hock. I'm going to wash these well with vinegar, pot dry, then we're going to add our seasoning. And the season I'll be using will be on the screen, and I'll link them in the description box below. So we're going to season this, put to marinate. When it's time to cook, then I'll come back. So enjoy the music, guys, and keep on watching. So here I'm just adding some oil to my pot. I'm going to do this on the stove top, slow and steady. Yes, we're going to heat up our oil, add our marinated pork hock, cover the pot. We're not going to add water at this moment. We're going to allow this to sear so all the juiciness stays inside the meat. Sear on both sides and cover the pot. Within 10 minutes, then we can come back to add water. We're going to add water interval until this meat is cooked. We're going to use boiling water. Okay, so just keep on watching, guys, and I'll catch you further on in the video. For our pork hock, we have onion, bell pepper, carrot, garlic, thyme, and add pepper. We're going to cut these and put aside. So continue watching, guys, and catch you further on in the video. Checking my pork hock again, and this was soft as I needed it to be. Yes, as we said, slow and steady. So now we're going to add our prepared veggies and extra fresh seasoning to this, and we're going to add a bit more water. I'm going to add the water to my marinated seasoned bowl and pour it over this, cover and allow it to start the cooking process. Then For the final touch, we're going to adjust this, add a bit of tomato paste or tomato ketchup, and allow this to simmer and thicken. Then we can serve. So catch you then, guys. Just continue watching. This is ready to be served. Sauce thickened, meat soft and falling off the bone. So we're ready to serve this up. So here you have it, guys. This is my juicy, tasty, fall off the bone pork hock done on the stove top. So if you want to try this recipe, go along and come back and tell me in the comment section how it goes. Follow the step correctly and you'll end up with a nice, juicy, fall off the bone pork hock. So thanks again for watching, guys, and if you're watching to this far and you haven't subscribed, please do so at this moment. Also put the notification bell on so you won't miss future uploads. And to my returning supporters again, thank you guys for the support. So just keep it coming, guys. So this is Vlogmas day 9. So let's see what Vlogmas day 10 will bring. So do enjoy, guys, and thanks for watching. And I'll catch you in another video. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.